The National Motorcycle Museum, world's largest collection of classic bikes. As a senior citizen, my travel gives me the opportunity to see new places, relax, and happily enjoy life. With comfort, safety, and convenience, special tours are designed to suit the elderly. These help in staying healthy, meeting new friends, and creating beautiful memories. I wish to share my joyful experience with you. The National Motorcycle Museum, located in Solihull near Birmingham, England, is the world's largest museum dedicated to motorcycles. Opened in 1984, it stands as a celebration of Britain's long-standing tradition of motorcycle engineering and design. For enthusiasts and visitors alike, it offers a unique opportunity to explore the history and cultural impact of motorcycling in the United Kingdom. The museum was the brainchild of Roy Richards, a businessman with a deep passion for preserving Britain's motorcycle heritage. At a time when many classic machines were being scrapped or forgotten, Richards set out to restore and safeguard them for future generations. His vision was to create not just a collection, but a living tribute to the golden era of British motorcycling. Since its opening, the museum has grown to house over 1,000 motorcycles, with around 850 displayed at any given time. The exhibits represent virtually every British manufacturer, from well-known brands like Triumph, Norton, and BSA to rare and long-forgotten names. Each motorcycle is carefully restored to showroom condition, allowing visitors to witness the technological and stylistic evolution of the industry. Today, the National Motorcycle Museum is more than just a display of machines, it is a center for education, inspiration, and community. Hosting events, rallies, and educational programs, it connects generations of riders and historians with the country's proud two-wheeled heritage. Its continued growth ensures that Britain's motorcycle story will be preserved and celebrated for years to come. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.